Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, this is my first day back after nailing a curb a couple of days ago. I took 2 days off, one day for repair of the vehicle, and the second day was a day of repair of my body. Walking that distance at a pretty good pace really tore up my feet. So, at any rate, today was the last day of the week. It's Sunday, and we had a really good day today. In a couple of ways. One, we spent pretty much the entire day on the phone with a couple of my buddies, and we just chopped it up. We just broke down the algorithm. We broke down strategies. They convinced me that I should probably sign up for Uber Eats and jump on a couple of catering apps. And I told them that I would go ahead and pursue that as soon as we reached 50,000 deliveries after the first week in April. So we're going to start multi-apping, and we're going to start advancing through some of the catering offers, and hopefully work up in the ranks and start making some real money. We're making good money now, but we're leaving a lot of money on the table, especially with the skill set that I have, the attention to detail, et cetera, et cetera. So that's the path that we're going on. I'm going to have some links sent to me. We're going to take care of that. And like I said, start to make some additional cash, maybe reduce the hours, focus more on YouTube. I am behind like 2 weeks on dropping videos into the YouTube channel. So we've got to catch that up slowly. I was planning on starting to do that today, but like I said, spent most of the day just catching up with a couple of really good friends of mine, some top earners in the gig space. So that's Cam and Desin, two buddies of mine. So let's take a look at the rest of the numbers. Even though we took 2 days off this week, we still finished with 2192 going into, let's see, ratings. Let's go take a look at our ratings. Currently, we're at a 95 acceptance rate, 100% completion, 100% on time, 4.94 customer rating, 1122, even with 2 days off, and 49,491 as far as our lifetime earnings. And we are going to go ahead and cash out our earnings because I've got 2 days total in there. So let's do that before midnight. Got 841.15. And we're going to go ahead and get that deposited into our account. Boy, does that feel good. It feels good just to get control of my cash again. So not a bad week. A little lower than the last couple of weeks with the challenge. With probably another 800, 800, I would have been really close to $3,000 this week, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Pay attention, make sure you're awake before you drive. Public safety announcement, public service announcement. Wipe your eyes and close your eyes and do all that stuff when you're not in motion. That's my advice to you. So with that, I'm going to end this because I want to get home and I've got some other things to take care of, get some additional food inside of me and end my night. So with that, I'm going to say good night. And tomorrow we shall go for success once again.